Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to discuss these points. In this video, I will tell you how you can add variables in smart-pls 4 and how you can analyze the basic general mathematical model. And let me show you. Here it is. This is smart-pls, and I have added the data file. You can watch my previous video how I have added this data, and here it is my model, and here it is my research paper. Let me show you its variable, and then we will discuss and we will move forward. Here it is. You can consult the literature about that these relationship which I have made. I have made this model like that. There is a service quality. This is my first variable, and this is a sequential mediation I am going to use in this project, and the perceived value, customer satisfaction and customer engagement, and then the final variable is customer loyalty. Okay, so these three are mediators: perceived value, customer satisfaction and customer engagement. So what we are saying that this project was telecom industry of Pakistan. So my first hypothesis was customer engagement has a significant impact on customer loyalty of the telecom sector of Pakistan. Then second was the service quality has a significant positive impact on perceived values. Then third was service quality has a positive impact on customer satisfaction. Then the fourth was service quality towards customer loyalty. Then perceived value towards customer engagement. And then sixth was customer satisfaction leads to the significant positive impact on customer engagement. Then final was customer satisfaction has a direct significant effect on customer loyalty. So these were the direct relationship I was having, which I have explained. I will also explain with you the mediating relationships. You can say that perceived values had mediating effect between service quality and customer engagement. This is first mediation. Then you can also say that customer engagement has a mediating role in between perceived values and customer loyalty. And you can also say that customer satisfaction has mediating effect between service quality and customer loyalty. So these are the mediating, and you can provide evidence from the literature, and hence you will prove these variables. So let's proceed towards the data. Also, I'm going to add over here these variables. Over here you can see it's added. Its name I've given service quality, and let's unlock it, lock it. Yeah, these are locked. This is the second variable, and I have just pick it and just put it over there, and just hide these indicators and put it over here. You can move that with the help of your mouse. You can just press it and pick it and just release it. Where do you want to place it? Customer engagement, I'm going to put it over here and see its name over here, and then you can lock them. And then customer satisfaction is another variable. You just have to press shift and hold them, select them, and you just pick and drop. Okay, so just hide them. And final variable is customer loyalty. Just I have picked it and given it name and release it over here, and just hide them. I'm gonna hide them. Okay, this is a very smart smart is very smart. You can see that I made them, and they are saying you can also change their names afterwards if you want. You can see that in report, if you want to show it as PV, you can show it as PV, and you can apply them. So now let's connect them. I've just clicked on connect, and what was our first variable? This was our first connection. Then this was our second connection, and this was over. Just click on connect and just click on service quality and then click on customer satisfaction. Then again I am going to click on connect and just click over here like that. So here you go, and these are 5 I've made, and 6th one is customer satisfaction towards customer engagement, and 7th one is customer satisfaction from towards customer loyalty. And this is all. These 7 variables I have already made, and this one is left. Let me put it over here. Okay, all these fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, let's proceed towards this calculation. You just click on calculation, where what you have PLSIM, bootstrap. We are not going to discuss right now. We just click on PLSIM algorithm right now, and we will click on path and keep it as it is and start drawing and click on start calculation. Here you can see it's calculating. It has been calculated, and you can see their reports. Here is the path coefficient. You can see that over here you can see the indirect effects, total effects, and you can see the specific indirect effects. Okay, and what is the model fit over here you can see, and this is the validity construct HTMT over here. You can see it's all fine. It's if it's green, it's all fine. You can see there is some problem with AVE. You can so guys, this is all. Again, we will discuss it thoroughly in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.